How to create roles, channels and rules in Discord server. Firstly, on your web browser, go to discord.com. Now go to the server and on the top, click on the name of the server. When you do that, then a drop-down menu like this will open. Click on Server Settings. Inside that, you will see different options. Scroll down and under People, click on Roles. Here you will see the option Create Role. You can search for your existing roles or you can create a new one. While creating a role, you need to provide different information. For example, role name, permission, links, and other info. Once you are done, click on Save Changes at the bottom. To create channels, on the left side, you will see two sections, Text Channel and Voice Channel. You can create either of those. Click on the plus icon next to the channel title. Now you can select the channel type. Then go on to add the channel name. You can either create a private channel or a public one. Once you fill out these information, then click on Create Channel at the bottom. To create rules, go to your server settings. On the very left side, you will see different kind of options. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you will see the option Community Overview. Click on that option and make sure that is enabled. Here you will see the section Rules or Guideline Channel. You can select if it applies for general or moderator only. After that, you can create rules. Make sure to also save changes. That's all for today. Thank you.